In today's complex manufacturing landscape, the demand for precision, efficiency, and reliability is constant. For over 35 years, Demco Automation has been at the forefront, not just meeting these demands, but redefining what's possible in custom automation. We design and build custom automated manufacturing systems for your advanced assembly, testing, inspection, and packaging needs. Our focus is on creating the exact system you require. We serve diverse industries and locations worldwide, providing turnkey automation solutions to key sectors like life sciences, medical devices, electronics, and semiconductor manufacturing. We also specialize in critical areas such as defense and advanced automated battery systems. With installations in over 18 states and 12 countries, we support you wherever your facility is located. You'll benefit from our comprehensive, full-service approach encompassing engineering, design, fabrication, controls, and system integration. We ensure a seamless process from start to finish. Our in-house engineering and manufacturing team offers unmatched value through OEM builds, prototyping, design for manufacturability, DFM, and design engineering services, all aimed at optimizing your operations. We also provide process development services supported by detailed documentation to help you launch new products or optimize existing production lines. Imagine the efficiency gains. We integrate diverse technologies into reliable, 24/7 automated manufacturing systems. This includes vision-guided assembly, material handling, fluid dispensing, and much more. When industrial robots are the optimal solution, we employ the right technology for your application from leading manufacturers like ABB, Fanuc, and Epson. As a Platinum Automated Elite Integrator for Epson robots, we provide advanced solutions including force guidance and vision-guided placement. Our patented Demco wedge platforms offer modular, scalable stations and integrated controls, ensuring your systems adapt to your evolving automation needs, providing a clear advantage. For over 3.5 decades, Demco Automation has built a robust portfolio of technology, equipment platforms, and methods to simplify automation. Today, we're pioneering processes that have never been automated before, leveraging new technologies, innovative design techniques, and our extensive machine design experience. That's automation redefined. Ready to enhance your operations? Contact Demco Automation today for all your turnkey automation system needs.